Wife of reggae singing sensation Tinga Stewart passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Inside my heart, there's nothing but love for you. Inside my heart.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Andrea Stewart, the wife of reggae singing sensation Tinga Stewart, passed away Thursday morning at the University Hospital of the West Indies from complications stemming from a clot in her lungs. Stewart, who was asthmatic, began to experience breathing problems last week and was hospitalized. Frankie Campbell, Fab 5 bass player and chairman of the Association of Vintage Artists and Affiliates, told reporters that the singer's 42-year-old wife was a tower of strength for Tinga Stewart since he became ill 3 years ago. The doctors said that she had a clot in her lungs, but we don't know exactly what happened, but we'll have to wait until an autopsy is done, said Campbell. She passed away about 2:30 p.m. on Thursday evening at the University Hospital of the West Indies. Tinga Stewart, a two-time festival song competition winner, turned 71 last year on July the 3rd. The veteran singer had battled depression for the past 2 years, and the couple had been married for 10 years. He's not taking it well. She was a beautiful person and she did everything for him, said Campbell. The older of two brothers, the other being Roman, who won the festival song contest. Tinga Stewart first won the event back in 1974 with Play the Music. 7 years later, he won again with the song entitled No One No Better Than Yard. He wrote Hooray Festival song for Roman, his brother, which won the competition back in 1975. Tinga Stewart hits also include Cover Me, Take Time to Know Me with Ninja Man, and also Inside My Heart. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to express our condolences to the family and friends of the veteran singer Tinga Stewart.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.